Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, chock the wheels, and let the exhaust cool for at least 30 minutes before working. Put on gloves and eye protection and support the truck with jack stands if you will go underneath. Never rely on the jack alone. Use a work light and listen for hissing or popping, feeling for escaping hot air with the back of your hand held at a safe distance. Mark each leak with chalk and note whether it is at a flange, clamp hanger, or a perforation. If the leak is at a flange or clamp, spray penetrating oil on rusted bolts and let it soak for 10 minutes. Use a 3/8-inch breaker or impact to remove the fasteners, support the pipe with a hydraulic jack, and swap the old gasket for a new exhaust gasket sized to your section, or replace the damaged clamp with a 2/5-inch or correct diameter clamp. Apply anti-seize to new bolts, hand tighten, then torque snugly. Replace any broken hangers, and recheck for small perforations. Clean surrounding metal with a wire brush until bare, deglaze with a solvent, and let dry completely before applying exhaust epoxy or muffler cement according to the product directions. For larger holes, cut a sheet metal patch or use high-temperature muffler tape. Wrap the pipe 360 degrees and secure the patch with a clamp or band. Use muffler tape to finish seams. Start the engine, listen closely for escaping gas. Then road test and recheck clamps and patches after about 50 miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.